There's nothing more embarrassing than stepping out for your daily activity and you find yourself very tired, very, very tired, owing to the fact that you didn't get enough sleep last night. So the sleep is like a chain, a golden chain that joins together our body and our health. So if you want to stay healthy, you've got to sleep. And also it's like a gift, and I know most of you have lost that gift of sleeping. So if you've lost yours, just keep watching this video. So in this video, I'm just going to give you tips that help you reestablish a good night's sleep. After all, the body needs rest after a long walk. For the first one, you have to establish a consistent bedtime. For example, if you go to bed by 11 p.m. at night, always make sure you go to bed by 11 p.m. Make it a daily routine of going to bed by the same time. I know this might be very difficult for some of you that work, but if you try to maintain a consistent bedtime, that will help you to establish a very good sleep. Number 2, create a comfortable sleep environment. You must not be rich to do that. I tell you, your pocket does not determine how good your sleep will be. Now before we continue, just make sure you've subscribed to our YouTube channel and you're following us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We've got loads coming on. The sleep environment has a crucial role to play in your sleep. Make your bedroom comfortable, make it quiet, make it cool, make it dark. Anyways, it depends because some persons don't like a dark room, so adjust it to the way you like it. Play cool music if that helps you to sleep. And also, if you live in noisy areas, get earplugs, not AirPods. The crucial one is for you to limit screen time, something like this. These things, the electronics, they emit blue light, and these blue lights, they tend to interfere with your sleep-wake cycle. So instead of you to engage in these activities, why not try relaxation techniques that can help you sleep? At least leave your phone, leave the television 1 hour to 30 minutes before you go to bed. Leave Facebook and face your sleep. Avoid stimulants close to bedtime. Things like taking stimulants like nicotine or caffeine. These things make it very difficult for you to fall asleep. And also the environmental stimulants, something like playing loud music, they make it very difficult for you to go to sleep. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. This is the most difficult because it involves two things, which is balanced diet and regular exercise. Normally, you should have a balanced diet, a particular choice of food or food pattern you follow. That's a story for another day. And secondly, regular exercise. Some persons usually wait till when it's bedtime, they will go and take a heavy food. They'll eat a heavy food. Or they'll take lots of water. That will make falling asleep very difficult for you at that moment. And also vigorous exercise. I didn't say you can't have vigorous sex before bed. After all, that helps you to have a good sleep. But that's a story for that day, not for today. It's quite surprising that you have to wait for everybody to sleep. Then you creep out at night. You go to the refrigerator to steal something to eat, to steal some sandwich, to steal some sodas to drink. Tell me, how are you going to get a good sleep with that habit? The sixth one is for you to manage your stress level properly. We are all human beings and we have things affecting us, ranging from physical to emotional issues. So you have to do those things that makes you calm down. If it is deep breathing exercise, yoga. Some persons go as far as doing the bathtub therapy. That's filling the bathtub with warm water and you go under it for some time. It helps you to calm down before you come back to your bed. So things that can help promote your sleep. The next one is for you to prioritize your daily activities. Your bedtime shouldn't be the time you should be doing your homework, home drills, or trying to get across to somebody's heart. No, everything has a time. When all these tips have failed, now the last one is for you to consult a healthcare professional. It can help you, ranging from helping you psychologically, or if it boils down to prescription of medication, it can also help you to prescribe those medications. Don't go to the pharmacy to self-medicate yourself, please.